Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Digital Nomad Ventures. It's probably been at least 6 months since I last released a video episode, and as part of my New Year's resolution for 2022, I've told myself that I really want to start releasing more YouTube videos. So in this episode, I'm going to be showing you around this beautiful property that we're renting here on the island of Koh Samui in southern Thailand. And I've lived on the island off and on for roughly 8 months over the past 2 years. And, I've always been bouncing around, renting Airbnbs, staying at various hotels, sometimes staying at places for free by offering photography and marketing services. And it gets very tiring after a while. So thankfully, me and my girlfriend found this place close to Lamai, and it's on the shortcut to Mae Nam. So I'm just going to be showing you around the place a little bit today. And stick around to the end of the video where I'll tell you what the price is per month. I think it's really going to surprise you. You can find amazing deals on the island, especially right now due to the current ongoing pandemic. So please enjoy this video, subscribe to the channel for more updates, and just enjoy. I'm going to be showing you around the place. Thanks for watching.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes.
Okay, so here we are on the shortcut road from Lamai to Mae Nam. As you can see, it's just a beautiful view right here, surrounded by palm trees and mountains. And this is essentially our backyard for the next 3 months. So every day I wake up, I get to see this beautiful view. And Mae Nam is this direction. You can also take this to go to the town in Lamai. And yeah, this is the place. So I've actually driven by this place a couple different times, and I saw this big sign out here that says room for rent, empty 7,000 baht, fully furnished 15,000. There's their telephone number if you would like to contact them. We just open this gate here, and this is the place. So as you can see right off the bat, we've got plenty of room for parking right here. And we've got some nice palm trees with coconuts growing on them. Plenty of space for, whatever you want to do. If you want to exercise a little bit, maybe play some badminton, you can do that right here. And then here's our little Honda Click motorbike, which I just picked up today. It's good for getting around the island. It's only 150 baht per day, which is a really good deal. So that's our main commuter bike. And this is the place. So I'm not actually going to show you the inside because don't really need to see the inside, but I think it's about 35 square meters and is brand new, has nice appliances and utilities. And stick around to the end where I'm going to give you the price of this place per month. It may surprise you. And yeah, we've another nice thing is we have solar lights all around the property. So these just charge, there's usually a lot of sunlight in Samui, and these charge every day and then turn on at a certain hour, like just as the sun is setting. So it's nice to have some light around the place if you're walking around at night. And as you can see, we've got plenty of palm trees around here. And I also like that there's gravel. There's gravel along here too, so if it's raining a lot, then we don't get a lot of mud everywhere. And these houses are actually built up onto stilts. If it starts flooding and there's a lot of rain, then as you can see, the water will just go underneath the house and you don't have to worry about everything getting wet inside. So that's really neat. And the property is actually owned by a company called P&J. I'm already in touch with the manager over there. And I have some really big plans for this place in 2022. I'd like to start renting out some of these units. So this one right here is not fully furnished. It doesn't have anything inside. If we peer through the window, you can see there's no furniture in there. So I've got some ideas for that as well. But we've got 2 units here. And then we also have these bigger ones in the back, which are, as you can see, also built up onto stilts if there's flooding. And those are also very nice, but again, not fully furnished. So it's just the front 2 houses that have furniture. But yeah, it's a beautiful property. and I'm very grateful to have found this place. It's on a beautiful part of the island, and I'm just going to take you through here and show you the other plot of land, which is currently just sitting empty. There's one house built on top of it. So as you can see, that's the other house, and we can walk over here real quick. But yeah, we've got a really nice, super tall tree right here as well. This is most likely how this part of the island was at one point before they started building on it, and now they mostly just have palm trees, like planted palm trees everywhere. But this land right here, I would say the total size of the whole plot of land is about 1 rai. So I'd say, I don't know how much that would be, about 20 million baht if you wanted to buy the land. But for now, we're just renting here. And I've also got another house right here. And that one has like a TV and a refrigerator in it, but that's it. So it's also not furnished. But yeah, it's an amazing, amazing place here on the island, and as you can see, it's surrounded by mountains and palm trees everywhere as far as the eye can see. I've also got another place up here, some more villas up here, Paradise Jungle Villas, and some other places. So absolutely amazing, and we're enjoying our stay here so far. It's only been about 3 weeks now. And yeah, I really couldn't think of a better place to stay on the island. It's also about 5 minutes from Lamai, so very convenient on a motorbike to get into town. Thanks so much for watching this episode of Digital Nomad Ventures. I've just been showing you around this property that we're renting in beautiful Koh Samui. A lot of people, they just come in through the sandbox and they never really make their way over to Samui for whatever reason, which doesn't make sense to me. I prefer Samui. As I said, I've been living here off and on for about 9 months now, and the place that we found is just incredible, and I'd like to start renting these out on Airbnb and some other online travel agencies. So that's kind of my plan moving forward into 2022. I think of this as sort of an investment property or real estate project, and if I could start working more closely with the manager of the brokerage, then that would be amazing. But essentially, I just wanted to leave the end of the video by giving you the price of this place. And as you saw earlier out front, it says 7,000 baht for an empty room or 15,000 baht for a fully furnished room. And we are paying 9,000 baht per month, which works out to just under $300 for this beautiful property. And we're the only ones staying here right now. So they're looking for more tenants to rent out. Maybe this one right next door, or a few of the other units. The only thing is they're not furnished yet, so that's something we're gonna have to work on. But you know, my idea is kind of like just to put an air mattress in there and start renting it out on Airbnb. If somebody's coming to the island, they're looking for a place that's real cheap to stay, then they could stay back there. So that's kind of the plan. Delivery from Carrie just arrived. He had some trouble finding the place, but luckily the keyboard has arrived. That's my new keyboard for my laptop. Excellent. Come book up.